Get a $200,000 house absolutely free. Here's how. Want a $200,000 house? If you paid the full amount in cash, you just made the biggest financial mistake of your life. Hey, today I'm going to show you a strategy where you get a $200 house and walk away with an extra $260,000 on top 20 years later without spending a single extra dollar. Sounds impossible? Let me show you the numbers. First, let's see what most people do. $200 house. People think, why take a loan? Just pay it all in cash. So, they pull out $200,000 and buy the house. Got the house. Money gone. Money growth? Zero. Now listen, here's the smart move. From that $200,000, just put $40,000 as a down payment. Take the remaining $160,000 and put it in an index fund or mutual fund at 12% average annual return. Now take a $160,000 home loan for 20 years at a 7% interest rate. Your monthly payment will be about $1,240 per month. Now here's the real game changer. From that $160,000 index fund, start an SWP, Systematic Withdrawal Plan. Withdraw $1,240 every month. That money goes straight to your mortgage payment. What does that mean? Your mortgage is paying itself, out of your pocket, not a single dollar. Now here's the real twist. You put $160,000 into the fund. At 12% return, over 20 years, that fund kept growing. Yes, you pulled out $1,240 times 12. That's $14,880 every year. Total withdrawn over 20 years, about $297,600. And still, after 20 years, your fund has about $260,000 left. Because the fund's growth was faster than your withdrawals. Got the house? Loan paid itself? $260,000 free. So what's the summary? Don't buy a house in cash. Put down a down payment, invest the rest in an index fund. Take the loan, let the SWP pay your mortgage. 20 years later, the house and $260,000 are both yours. This is what it means to put your money to work the smart way. One thing to remember, when money just sits in your hand, it's sleeping. When it's invested, that's when it works. If this strategy was helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel right now. Smart finance tips like this drop every week. Comment below, would you try this strategy?